music is something that can be found in every culture. There are different types with different rhythms and dances. Here in the Valley, one band has been using music to celebrate the Hispanic culture for decades.
We try to do a little bit of everything. We also do, although we're Puerto Rican, we do a lot of Mexican. We also do songs from Central and South America because really there are no groups around here that do that.
Felipe and Mary Gonzalez have had their band Conjunto Requeña for 43 years. It started out as a family band and grew to much more.
Started practicing with the kids and we taught them the songs, and I had to learn how to play the maraca and the guiro. I didn't know how to do any of that.
Now there are about 7 members of the group, but at times members play as a trio or quartet. Mary said over the years there has been as many as 22 members at one time. One of the gigs Conjunto Requeña does is a traditional parranda. In a parranda, it is tradition for a small group of musicians to go house to house. The homeowners invite them in and they play music. Then the homeowners feed the group before the musicians head to the next house together.
When we go to the house, we usually, we're done at the first house and we invite the family to join us, and by the time you go to the last house, you got you got an army of vehicles following each other.
Following tradition, the band also uses a cuatro, which is a traditional Hispanic instrument. Singer Rosie Rodriguez has been in the group on and off for 40 years.
It's good to keep up the culture. People forget about what it was like back in the day. So with our music, we bring it back, and those young people who didn't grow up with that really like that.
Mary and Felipe said they plan to continue the group for as many years as they can. Reporting for WKBN 27 First News Online, Jennifer Rodriguez.